RealPro Systems is proud to announce a brand new stealth site for people looking for bank-owned properties. Featuring a fresh new layout complete with a tailor-made video, the Bank-Owned Stealth site offers people a fast and convenient way to sign up for your bank-owned property updates. The site also has an area for people to request a CMA. The concept was inspired by Rob Levy of Prudential Northwest Properties and co-founder of RealPro Systems. We sat down with Rob to talk about his new site and its experiences to date. Rob, thanks for being here today. Tell us about your new site, OregonBankOwned.com.
Joe, the interesting thing is I've kind of been frustrated. I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm the top agent in the area for Prudential and have been for a while, and my business dropped off. And it dropped off more than I've ever seen. Like most of the listeners can say the same thing. And when I started doing this, the phone started ringing again. And that's exactly why it works for me right now. So it's got everything charged up. It's got my team charged up, and I've actually got real buyers that are ready, willing, and able, because it's just a different quality of buyer that seems to come through that site.
Tell us about this site.
Joe, it's pretty simple. It's all about fishing where the fish are. That's what buyers want to see these days, and so we're offering them the service that they're looking for, which is bank-owned homes. Interesting, what we're doing is we supplement it by doing our regular sites and attracting people the normal way through PortlandMLS.net and my other sites. But I'm attracting more people to this because I think that they're getting a deal. The reason that I did it is because I noticed a lot of the people that we were talking to were looking for bank-owned homes, but they didn't end up buying bank-owned homes. So I thought, let's fish where the fish are.
How are you marketing this site right now?
Pay-per-click marketing. Through RealPro Systems. And I'm doing it that way because that seems to be where most of the buyers are, and I'm getting a lot of leads that way.
Now, Rob, we've noticed in the last month that you've been doing this, that you've changed the form to require phone numbers. Tell us about that.
Joe, this is one of the fascinating things. When I started requiring phone numbers on the OregonBankOwned.com site, my numbers didn't drop as far as the number of people filling out the form, but the number of people that gave me their phone numbers, or the people that were giving me their phone numbers, 90% of them are good numbers. So I'm actually attracting, I don't know why it is, but I'm attracting better people, so to speak, and people that I can engage with. So we're calling them and we're simply saying, we're sending you a list twice a week of bank-owned homes. They're all over Portland. Are you looking in a certain area? How about if I can set you up in a search that'll send you homes that meet exactly your needs?
In the response?
The response has absolutely been phenomenal. I mean, they're ready to engage. They're ready to start talking to us. It's like we almost don't have to sell ourselves.
And that's because they've already qualified what they're looking for to that point?
That's exactly right. One of the other interesting things is when I first set it up, I was afraid I was going to get people that are really bottom fishing, and that's maybe 10% of the people. I'm getting a lot of investors. I'm getting just smart people that know there's good deals out there with bank-owned homes. But again, once we get to talking with them, they don't care about bank-owned homes. They just want a good deal.
So, Rob, what's your next step?
I know of a couple of people now that are doing advertising in local papers, advertising the name of the site, and driving people there, and that's my next step.
Well, Rob, thank you for your time today.
Oh, you betcha, Joe. Thanks. Anytime.
The Bank-Owned Stealth site is now available from RealPro Systems and comes with its own dedicated follow-up campaign. See an example of this site today at rpsbankowned.com or give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer any questions.